Now we turn to multiple new updates in the string of shootings in Raleigh.
This is one of those cases that put fear in the heart of the entire community. I had colleagues texted me, telling me, don't go on I-40 today, and I'm sure many other people in the community received that as well. I have the discretion to set a bond despite the fact that he doesn't have a criminal record, and this went on for 4 days. I do think it's appropriate to exercise my discretion and not set any bond in this matter at this time.
New today, the NC State student charged with shooting into a combined 12 homes and cars in Raleigh will remain in jail under no bond, as you heard the judge say. A new warrant reveals police found a handgun, live ammunition, and shell casings as well in 23-year-old Andrew Graney's home and car.
WRL also has new 911 calls from some of those shootings. We have team coverage tonight. We begin with Chelsea Donovan. She was in the courtroom when Graney learned that he's going to stay in jail. Chelsea.
Yeah, so it was said in court today that Raleigh police have still not developed a motive as to what would allegedly prompt an NC State senior to go on a shooting spree over the course of 4 days into cars and into homes. But what all parties could agree on today in court is that Andrew Graney is a danger to the public.
Please state your name.
After a 4-day shooting spree, the man police believe evoked terror through the Raleigh community sits behind bars.
This was an absolutely senseless and random series of acts of violence that really put this community on edge.
One woman, according to police, was shot in the leg on I-40 early Monday morning. Another man Thursday was almost struck.
I was just on the way to work on Trailwood and coming up the road and around the bend, and all of a sudden, it was like a boom.
In total, police believe an NC State anthropology major was randomly shooting at cars and homes for days until he was found inside this home on Kenford Court and taken into custody.
Inside that vehicle was a .45 caliber firearm belonging to Mr. Graney.
New search warrants reveal police searched Graney's home and his car, and they found a digital camera, a laptop, a handgun with a magazine, a black gun case, live ammunition, and shell casings. Warrants also reveal how police may have found the NC State senior.
Mr. Graney's cell phone was in each and every one of these locations during the time of the offenses over this 4-day period.
Defense attorney Daniel Meyer explains the seriousness of these charges, 11 felonies in total.
So in theory, they could give him 880 months.
If convicted.
If you actually hit somebody or killed them while they were driving, they could wipe out a bunch more people.
And Judge Debra Sasser agreed that Graney is a danger to the public.
This is one of those cases that put fear in the heart of the entire community. I had colleagues texted me, telling me, don't go on I-40 today, and I'm sure many other people in the community received that as well.